Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be unboxing a ukulele, or maybe more than one, from Sunstar Music. I have a box here that I saw in my house when I got back from Germany, and I'm very excited to get into this. I have featured Sunstar Ukes in the past before. I had a really beautiful spruce top, and then I eventually did give it away to a patron, so it was really exciting. That ukulele was really great. So when Sunstar contacted me and asked me if I would unbox more instruments on the channel, I said absolutely yes, because I know that if I recommend them, you're gonna be happy with the product, and that's like the bottom line for me. Okay, I see a cleaning cloth is kind of popping right out. Wow. These guys are efficient. They packed 2 instruments in this box. Let me show you. Thank goodness I didn't make a deep cut right there though. By the way, you can see these ukuleles in action, not only in tutorial videos, but also in this special Instagram page that I created where I have all of the play along videos. I'm trying to make more play along videos because from the feedback I've received, you all want to practice. Okay, right now we're unboxing the Java Ebony Soprano. It comes in a tiny little gig bag. This is one of those gig bags that are like, they feel, what is it, like canvas material almost. We have double zippers, one strap in the back, and then they come wrapped. Oh, I see a slotted headstock. I see a matte / satin finish. Okay, ready? Okay, there we go. Soprano ukes are so cute and tiny. We have open tuners, Aquila strings. Ooh, look at that! Cutie! Wow, that's beautiful. Actually, that's very beautiful. I can tell this one's gonna be a showstopper on the channel. And it's soprano. It looks pretty big for a soprano, but it's a soprano. Nice. Now let's open the other baby. Same drill with this one. We have a gig bag. These gig bags from Sunstar are the kind of gig bags that would protect your instrument from scratches, but they're pretty thin, so I wouldn't put anything on top of it, of course. So if you wanted something that you can travel with, I would definitely invest in a better gig bag, but if you're just doing everyday use, then this is perfectly fine. My heart is gonna stop. Oh my God. Oh my word, look at that pattern, you guys. Wow. I think I have a problem because every time I see a new uke, like my heart like starts pumping, my eyes start watering, I get super excited. Let me turn these up before I get too excited. Let me turn these up, and then we'll do a playing demo. And we'll do some specs as well. Okay, just tuned both of these ukuleles up, and it looks like it's going to be very easy for them to kind of set, which I'm excited about because it always helps the playing demonstration just be a more accurate representation of the instrument and the instrument's potential. So we're first going to go with the Java Ebony playing demo. The Spalted Maple, the tuning was a little further away, not by a lot, but this one maybe might not sound as good on the playing demo, so please stay tuned and like listen to it again in the future play-alongs just so you can get a second hear at it. talk about the specs on this instrument, and we're going to do a few close-up shots to help you kind of get a better look. We're talking about the Java Ebony Soprano. We have Java Ebony sides and back, a solid mahogany neck. We have a slotted headstock with open gear tuners. Open gear tuners just help make everything a little bit lighter. So when you have closed tuners, you would notice a little bit of a weight difference. The bridge has bridge pins, so it makes changing the strings really easy. You wouldn't need to kind of tie it or do a special knot or anything like that. So bridge pins, I think they look really clean, really cool, and they're the easiest to change. In my opinion, they're the easiest to change. This has Aquila strings, Abalone rosette, and Abalone inlay with solid maple binding. This ukulele has a walnut bridge and an ebony fretboard with a snowflake inlay to mark the different frets. We also have an ox bone nut and saddle. The finish is matte, open wood, and all of the ukuleles are set up at the Sunstar headquarters. The way they told it to me when we met was like, we touch every ukulele before it gets to our customers. All of the information will also be in the description box below, and you can find a link to the Sunstar Music website. Okay, the Spalted Maple ukulele is a concert size, and we have spalted maple sides and back with a unique grain. This also has a mahogany neck. We have a slotted headstock with open gear tuners. Like the other one, open gear tuners just make things a little bit lighter. We have a walnut bridge, ebony fretboard with the same snowflake inlay that we saw in the previous ukulele. We have abalone rosette and abalone inlay with solid maple binding. We also have oxbone nut and saddle. Like the other one, we have a matte open wood pore finish. And all of the ukuleles are set up at the Sunstar Music headquarters. If you have any questions about these instruments, please pop those below in the comments. I'll try to get to them, or I will forward them to the company so they can answer your questions. As always, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you later. Sayonara!